Good morning. A rooster was slowly strutting through the farmyard, surrounded by hens. He suddenly noticed a gleaming object amid the straw. The rooster approached the gleaming object and unearthed it from amid the straw. He found a lost pearl that was lost in the yard for so many years. It was a precious pearl. The rooster looked at the pearl and said, "You may be deemed precious by those people who value you as a pearl. For me, I would prefer to have a single barley-corn over a peck of pearls." This fable serves as a reminder that valuable possessions hold worth for those who can truly appreciate them. Sometimes you're a true pearl, but you are not appreciated or held worth by those who surround you. If you cannot change them, change them. You need to switch to another setting where you're appreciated. Location of the work is sometimes very important to determine your value and the right choice of people in your social network. Have a wonderful day.